Ever wonder why critical incident handovers sometimes feel like tossing a hot potato? A botched escalation can turn a bad day into a disaster. This video cuts through the noise, showing you exactly how to guarantee a seamless transition, ensuring every detail lands perfectly with the next team. The real challenge? Often handovers lack critical context. To nail it, always provide a concise incident summary. Detail affected services, current status, actions already taken, and clear next steps. Crucially, combine thorough documentation with a live verbal briefing. This allows for immediate questions, clarifying ambiguities on the spot. It transforms a potential crisis into a collaborative effort. This approach ensures no vital information gets lost in translation, empowering your incident managers and service desk to maintain control. Want more tips to ace your next interview? Check out this video right here.